Today, we've got something truly special for you. A dance into the world of anime, but with a twist. We're going to explore how to create jaw-dropping dancing anime videos using the power of artificial intelligence. And guess what? We're diving deep into the magic of AI video generator tool, powered by Reface.AI. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.
Oh, really?
So let's get started. Step 1. Create an engaging AI account. Head over to Reface.AI and navigate Unboring menu. Click the Sign In button to create an Unboring AI account. Feel free to use your Gmail or Facebook credentials. Upon registration, you'll be rewarded with 5 free tokens for face swaps, animations. Step 2. Upload your video. After successfully logging in, proceed to elevate your experience by uploading your video. Simply click on the Upload button. In this demonstration, dancing videos from Pixel's website will be used as an example. Now, wait for the seamless uploading process to unfold. Step 3. Trim your video. Once your video is fully uploaded, take control of the content by trimming it. Easily adjust the start and end points to craft the perfect snippet. Step 4. Choose your AI video style. Now comes the fun part. Select the video style that resonates with you. In this instance, an anime video style will be showcased. Keep in mind that a 15-second video will require 30 tokens, translating to 2 tokens per second. The rendering process for this 15-second masterpiece will be wrapped up in approximately 29 minutes. Step 5. Render your AI video. Once everything is okay, hit the Restyle button to start the generation of your unique AI video. Once the rendering process is complete, click Download to save your personalized AI-generated video. Here are some fascinating video results produced by this cutting-edge AI video generator tool. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more tech adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, keep dancing, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video.